Recording in progress.
Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to work out second problem on portfolio performance evaluation. Let's begin. Following three portfolios particulars given below. Portfolio A, B, C. Annual average return 18%, 14%, 15%, 13%. Standard deviation 27, 18, 8, 12. Correlation coefficient 0.8, 0.6, 0.9 and dash nil. Risk-free rate is 9%. Find out the return of portfolio of Sharps and Trainers method. Now, here in this particular problem, there is a slight change compared to the first problem. Here, correlation coefficient is given. Correlation coefficient is given. Beta is not given. Hope you clear? Return is given. Standard deviation is given. Beta is not given. Instead of that, correlation coefficient is given. By using that, you need to calculate. By using correlation coefficient, you need to calculate the beta. Okay. So here, let's begin with Sharp's model. There is no change in Sharp model. The similar way, last problem, we are going to work out. Even in second problem also, Sharp model, there is no changes because full return and the standard deviation is given, risk rate is given, RP is given, RF is given, and standard deviation P is also given. So the similar way you have to work out here. See, average annual return for A, B, C separately you have to do. For A, I take now A, portfolio A. Here, what is the return? 18 is the return. Okay. 18 is the return. RF is same, that is 9 for all portfolios. The risk-free rate is same. Okay. See, first portfolio, that is A. Here RP is 18 and RF is 9. And what about standard deviation? That is 27 for A. Clear? So 27, answer is 0.33. Like that, calculate for B and C. For B, return is 14, return of the portfolio, minus 9, that is RF, divided by 18. Is it clear? 14 minus 9 divided by 18. So 0.28 is the answer. Then for third, C, 15 minus 9 divided by 8. So here, see, 15 minus 9 divided by 8. So that is for C. Is it clear? So 0.75 is the answer. Next for market you have to calculate RM minus RF divided by standard deviation M. RM market standard deviation, 1 minute. Sorry. Here, see, you need to calculate now for market RM minus RF divided by standard deviation M. Just check here. See, market return is given, that is 13%. 1 minute. Market return is 13%. Market return is 13%, and standard deviation M is 12. Okay, market for standard deviation is 12. Then see, here it is. See, RM is 13 minus RF is 9 and standard deviation M is 12. So answer is 0.33. Hope you know this. Like last problem, you have to work out. There is no changes. Okay, as far as Sharp's model is concerned. Then next, compare that portfolio return of C is better than the market. Just check it once. See here. See, market return is 0.33. What about individual portfolio? First one is 0.33, same. Second one is less than the market return. Third one is more, right? That is C. So portfolio return of C is better than the market. So this is wrong, except the portfolio C. Is it clear? You need to accept the portfolio C. So you can invest in portfolio C. Okay, clear? Because portfolio return of C is 0.75. That is more than the market return, that is 0.33. So for that you accept portfolio C. Okay, clear? That is under Sharpe's method. Next you need to check, that is Trainer's method. Here in Trainer's method, formula RP minus RF divided by beta P. Here, in order to calculate beta, there is a formula, because in this particular question beta is not given. Instead of that, correlation coefficient is given. Okay, to calculate beta you need correlation coefficient, that is Ri. Ri is nothing but correlation coefficient. See, correlation coefficient into standard deviation divided by standard deviation m. Okay, clear? Formula to calculate beta. See, you need beta as far as Trainer's method is concerned, right? Trainer's method formula is RP minus RF divided by beta. So you need beta. In this particular question, beta is not given. In order to calculate beta, correlation coefficient is given. Clear? Then first you need to calculate now beta. So in order to calculate beta, correlation coefficient, that is Ri into standard deviation I into standard deviation all divided by standard deviation m. So Ri is nothing but correlation coefficient, that is, check here, for first A portfolio, correlation coefficient is 0.8. Is it clear? 0.8 into standard deviation I. Standard deviation I is nothing but individual standard deviation written, that is, standard deviation is 27. Is it clear? 27 all divided by 12. 12 is nothing but standard deviation m. Standard deviation m is here 12. Okay, clear? Market standard deviation, that is 12. We take that, so answer is 1.8. Like that, calculate for B here. See, B. So correlation coefficient is 0.6 into 18, right? 1 minute. 0.6 into 18. 18 is standard deviation, all divided by 12. Market standard deviation. Standard deviation, that is 0.6 into 18 divided by 12. So answer is 0.9. Like that, calculate for C. Here, 0.9 into 0.9 into 8 divided by 12. Is it clear? 0.9 is the correlation coefficient into standard deviation I, that is 8, divided by standard deviation m. Market standard deviation is 12. Okay, clear? Like that you calculate, you get 0.6. Next, you apply the Trainer's method formula, that is RP minus RF divided by beta. Beta just now calculated, that is 1.8, 0.9 and 0.6. Apply here 1.8, 0.9 and 1 minute. 1.8, 0.9 and actually there is a mistake here. Actually here it is 0.6. Is it clear? 0.6, 1.8, 0.9. 1 minute. 1.8, 1.8, 0.9 and 0.6. Here you apply here 1.8, 0.9 and 0.6. Actually that is 18 minus 9 divided by 1.8. 18 is RP, 9 is RF, all divided by beta. So you get answer is 5. See, 18 See, 18 minus 9 is RF divided by beta. Beta now just now we calculated, that is 1.8. 1 minute. See, these are the beta. 1.8 is the first beta for EA. So you apply here. See, 18 minus 9 divided by 1.8, answer is 5. Like that, calculate for B. That is 14 minus 9 divided by 0.9, and 13.9 divided by zero point 0.6, that is 4. So like that you have to calculate under trainer's method. Hope you understood. This is about the second problem. The changes is the changes that you have, that you can see, in second problem is, here beta is not directly given. You need to calculate beta. To calculate beta, you need correlation coefficient that is given in the question. Okay, clear? Other things all same. Hope you understood. In case of any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you.